Hello friends and followers. Here's the first completed power board, capacitor board for the SB-220, SB-221 that I just found. I had the boards in from China, so stuffed them full of parts. I had ordered these 100K resistors from Amazon. They were laying around here. And I had some of these diodes from Bojack. I kind of ran out. I didn't really plan to build a board, but I had about 8 diodes. 100 volts or 1000 volts at about I think they were like an amp or something. So those will work for reverse protection on the capacitors. So yeah, it looks pretty good. I don't know if it'll fit into the amplifier yet, but it's all assembled. I think I'll almost want to clip lead this thing in and stand back and see what it does. Let it run for 10 minutes, see if it blows up or not. And I got really cheap, awful Chinese caps in this thing, which was what I got from Amazon. But for the first board number 1 prototype, I guess this is fine. See if it'll fit. See if it'll work. I don't even know if it'll make an improvement in the amplifier really, but I don't know. Maybe it's a little neater looking when it's installed. Anyway, there's the amplifier over there, and I would need to pull out all this stuff, which I'm not sure when this was put in, but take all that out and put this in, and it would be in there like that. Might look a little neater, but who cares? I don't know. Actually, you wouldn't see these anymore, so it's just a green board. Looks like it lines up fine. It's going to be kind of shaky in there, so I have these little bolt holes, because I couldn't get the right size capacitors, at least not in the first run. So I don't know. Maybe just solder this board up and see if it works, and stand back, and then if it works, think about building a better one with better capacitors that are the right size, and shove that board in there. But anyway, board number 1's done. Maybe try it out later. I don't know. I'm not really in the mood to mess with high voltage, so. But get something done, so I soldered it together. I got to move on now and do something easy. I think the next project will be the Omni 6 Plus over here. Just use the chip. Gonna put a chip in that baby. So I did order these chips from China. Actually, these came from China. These came from the USA. These are probably non-fake. So let's get these chips in here and see how it goes. One of these chips has to go into the Omni 6. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.